Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. Today we'll learn how to decorate a plain glass. Okay, this is actually a candle holder. I got it from dollar store for $1. But I actually love to decorate this, and I actually took one and did like this. And I'm actually doing a video on this today, and I picked this one because this is quite simple and easy. In case if anyone wants to make, then this will be the first choice of mine to suggest them, because this is very easy to do, and the look is very elegant. If you can just see the whole thing, it is really very beautiful to look at, and you need not spend a lot of time on this as well. So after the video, after doing something like this, I would definitely teach you the other ways to decorate this. In fact, there are 2 to 3 layered ones, and they are a bit difficult to do, so I actually picked a simple one to start with. And for this, the materials required are acrylic colors, and as I said, I am using this Daler Rowney acrylic colors, and you will need few paint brushes, and you need some water. Okay, this is a very simple step process. In this you'll have step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is just taking this bowl and cleaning it. Step 2 is mixing colors and then coloring the whole glass bowl. So I'm taking green initially, and be careful that you must not dilute this acrylics, because if you dilute, they'll lose the consistency, and you will never be able to complete this whole thing in a single coat. So I'm just taking green, and I'm just starting like this randomly. So as you see, it's getting diluted, so I think I have to finish it with one single quick stroke. I'm actually painting it green in different areas of the bowl, because I just want to take one color at a time, complete it, and then switch on to the next color. This will actually help me to paint correctly, and at the same time I can be careful while using these colors, and I need not wash my brush again and again. So that is how I'm actually planning to do this. I'm moving ahead with the second color, and now I'm taking violet, and now I just want to continue from the points where I actually stopped. So this will help us to build continuity, and in the intersection the colors would mix a bit, but I would welcome that, because that would also give a good look to the project. I actually gave 3 shades till now. I used violet, green and pink. If you want, you can actually leave it like this, half done. This would also give a different and decent look. Yeah, in case if you want to show anything and put something in this, for instance, if you want to put a handful of chocolates inside this or something like that, it would actually add to the look. So if you guys want to stop it here, you can just stop it at this point, else you can actually go and complete the whole thing. As I started this, I would actually love to complete the whole thing, so I'll just take another color and then go ahead with the same. So this is the final product, and this is how it would look once it is done. And I think we created one similar to this. This one, basically I did not wash the brush, and I wanted it to be more of mixed sort, and that is the reason I made it like this. This one, I just want the colors to explain themselves. That is the reason I actually gave a lot of variations, and I wanted these colors to be intact. That is the reason I was careful while touching the borders. So these are 2 ones which I did now, and prior to this I did few other things, and this is one of them. I actually made it in copper color, and I just gave lines of red, blue and black. So for doing this, what did I do is I basically took these three colors, and I gave the straight lines, and after that I actually gave some time and let all these things dry, and then I actually gave this copper coat on it. So that is how I could make this one. And there is another one which I did, and that is this. And to make this, I actually took these blue and pink fabric outliners, and then I actually gave this design. So I actually want it to be like this, so I gave blue and pink, and once these are dried, I gave this crimson color coat, I gave this mustard color coat on it. So this is the other one. And I actually did some other thing, and this is that. For this I actually used yellow, green, red colors, and this was very difficult because you have to put your brush inside that and give a fine work. After that you have to let it dry, and then I gave this blue coat on it. So this is really difficult, and this would definitely consume a lot of time. Out of all, this one is simpler, the one which we did today in the video, and this actually gets completed within 20 to 30 minutes. So I think this one is easiest project, but for others you have to sit day long and do it. You must actually let the first coat dry, the second coat dry, and then give the final color to the product. And that is how I did all these things. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like, you can just subscribe to my channel, and thank you.